Hey, Mark Fly, your bid coach here today to talk about something that nobody really likes to talk about, is pre-qualification. Per the US's Consensus Bureau, from 2012 to 2017, construction spending doubled. I mean, that's major. I don't have the exact figures, but it doubled. And we all know that the fall started like right before that and didn't pick back up until 2011. Since then, we've seen a huge rise in pre-qualification and the necessity of it. One thing I want you to keep in mind is all of your subcontractors and suppliers have to diligently fill those out if they want your work. Keep in mind that they are doing those for every other GC and sometimes for their own suppliers and manufacturers and whatnot. So keep that in mind. Try to keep your forms relevant to exactly what data that it is that you need. Until that's standardized across the board, which that may never happen, just keep that in mind. They're trying to answer as many of those as they can, and it can be difficult for them. One thing that you may consider is using some of the standardized forms that are out there that the subs may be more familiar with. I believe Consensus Doc 721 is a very popular one, and there's others out there as well. One thing that you might consider too is outsourcing your pre-qualification. It can be very time consuming, and if you're inaccurate and something happens, then of course we're held responsible for that, right? So consider some of that that you can utilize as well. There's software out there that helps you with pre-qualification process as well. Some of it integrates with your bid management solutions. If you're not aware of any of these, check them out. Google some of that stuff. You may find something very interesting for you. But we all know that pre-qualification is not going away. In fact, it's getting more and more relevant every day. So again, just keep that in mind when you're dealing with your subs. They're trying to get the responses back to you as fast as they can, but try to keep the information as relevant as possible. That's all today. This is Mark Fly, your bid coach. Happy bidding.